focus on me. Baby, can you focus?
Y'all are wondering, here's my breakfast. I got 4 sausage links, they're turkey sausage, and then just some 𝗙𝗀𝗃 high protein Greek yogurt. I don't have any fruit except these grapes that are just done for. I don't have any fruit in my house, but I'm gonna go grocery shopping tomorrow. I got some sliced almonds on top, honey, and just some dried cranberries because that's all that I had in there. So yeah, happy Wednesday. High heels on my tippies. I definitely forgot I was cooking. Okay, guys, here is my dinner. My sauce is brown because I like quite a bit of Worcestershire, whatever. I like quite a bit of that in there. And yeah, happy Saturday to me.
So I feel like I'm gonna just put my big
They're
dog
cooked
boots
to
on.
perfection, honey.
Kind of repeat
Every
after
time.
like it's just-
Hello, is this 911? I would like to report a murder. Squeeze me. Y'all, I killed these crab legs and I couldn't be any more satisfied. They were so effing good. Good morning, you guys. I'm gonna get on here not looking so rough one day. But I just left the gym, so mind your business. Want to see my little gym fit? Okay, here's my little gym fit for the day. I just went to the gym in my apartments. Yeah, I actually got these leggings off of the TikTok shop. Actually, can you see back there? Okay, yeah, but yeah, I love these. I got them in this color, and then I'm sure y'all see me wear the blue ones too. But I'm just about to clean up. It's Sunday. I'm off, honey. I'm off today and tomorrow. I'm just about to clean my house. It's Super Bowl Sunday. I don't have nowhere to go, child, so I'm gonna just wait for the people to say Usher is on, and then I'm gonna turn it on. You know what I was thinking when I just got home from the gym? It takes a truly strong person to get up and go to the gym unprovoked. I can stay in the bed. It's so gloomy outside. Like, now my patio door is unlocked, but it's so gloomy outside. Just gloomy. And it's been raining. And I decided to get up and go make myself tired and sweat. Just because I want to be fine. My birthday is in a couple days. I still can't believe it. Like, 27? Wild. But yeah, I'm just about to do some laundry, so I'll take y'all with me to do that. And yeah, happy Super Bowl Sunday. Okay, so I know I said I wasn't gonna do anything today, but I'm kind of thinking about just putting some makeup on, taking some cute pics, and like a cute red top, you know? So yeah.
Cups that are rose, bitches in my old phone. I should call one and go home. I've been in this love too long. The woman that I would try is happy with a good guy, but I've been drinking so much, I'ma call her anyway and say, fuck that nigga.
This is what laundry looks like when you go to the gym, go to work, and like to relax around the house all in the same day.
Nigga that you love so bad, I know you still think about the times we had. I say fuck that nigga that you think you found, and since you picked up, I know he's not around. I'm just saying you can do better. Tell me, have you heard that lately? I'm just saying you can do better. And you'll start hating only if you make it. Cups of the XO. Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for a nigga so cheap. And flex OD, sex OD. You got it, girl, you got that could take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot.
You know, one day I'm going to stop getting on this camera looking like a fool with my pants on the ground. Anyway, I'm about to, well, hey y'all, what am I doing? I look silly because I had a little breakout, so I'm just like spot treating. And I just wanted my hair out of my face while I had the mask on. I'm coming out here to show y'all. I don't remember if I vlogged or not when I made these canvas paintings. Okay, y'all, so what I was saying, I don't know, my grandma had called. But I don't know if I showed y'all when I made these. I took my nails off. Didn't want to, but I did. But anyway, I made these a while ago. I'm pretty sure I showed you guys. But they're just too, when they're up against my wall, like you have to get close to see the texture. So I'm about to add like some veins to it. I saw it on Pinterest. So I'll insert a picture right here so y'all can see. And then I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, so here's how it's looking so far. It's going to dry pink. It's gonna dry white. I didn't have very much left, so I just tried to do with what I had. So I'll come back and show you guys when it dries. Okay, so y'all, it is from 𝗙𝗶𝗸𝗧cie, child. It is Super Bowl Sunday, and I really didn't have any kind of, I had no plans for this, but I just found, some ingredients in my fridge, so I'm gonna make just, a few things. I'm gonna make a spinach dip. I had cream cheese, spinach, sour cream, and I got some shredded cheese in there. I got some salmon going in the oven because I'm gonna do, some little salmon sliders. I'm watching Love Island UK Season 8, Episode 13, and babes, it is getting messy up in here. It is so messy on this episode. I'm gonna come back because I know y'all can't hear me. Oh, he came to put on a show. He's putting on a show. Come on, Usher Rain. Hey, y'all. Happy Valentine's Day. It is the end of the day. But let me tell y'all something. Worked my ass today. Do you hear what I'm saying? Worked me. Like I was a job. But today is tomorrow is kickstarting my birthday. One of my friends is gonna come in town tomorrow, and then everybody else coming Friday. And then I'm just gonna do a little bit of prep. I gotta get my nails and things done tomorrow. I'm just so excited. I can't wait to drop the birthday vlog. But yeah, I was just coming on here to say hey to y'all because I really wanted to vlog this morning, but I was trying to I had an event at my job, so I was making sure everything was good. But yeah, happy Valentine's Day to all the lovers. And y'all, I took my nails out. I've been rocking my natural nails since Sunday. How ghetto. But I'm sure they needed a little break. But wait till these birthday nails, babes. But yeah, happy Valentine's Day. I love you all. Thank you for being here, watching this video, and make sure you're subscribed and like the video. Mwah. My mom sent me a B-Day package, so I'm about to open this sucker right now. No, it's not my birthday yet. It is still Valentine's Day, but I'm eager. And this is a salmon patty. Anyway, but I'm gonna open it. Ah! I'm so excited. I'm so excited. My mom's the best. I'm so excited about this. Good morning, you guys. Let's see if I can see you right here. No, okay, got it. What's on my throat? Good morning. Happy lint in my locks. Happy Thursday. It's my birthday eve. I'm just kind of around to let people know my birthday tomorrow. Period. I'm just here making me a little breakfast, child. Just got some, what's it called? A rice cake. Got some peanut butter on it and some bananas. One of my homegirls is getting in town tonight. So today I just got to straighten the house up. It's pretty much clean, but the worst thing is I just put 2 rice cakes in the air fryer. As you can see, I only have one. One got like stuck at the top of it and it burnt it, and now my house smells burnt and I'm so agitated. The burnt smell is like the worst smell ever. But yeah, I'm just calling around letting people know my birthday tomorrow. So yeah, happy Thursday. I'm gonna get my nails done today. I can't effing wait. My nails are my toes. And yeah, the birthday is basically here. Period. One girl in town. We're going out, and it's very late for me personally. 10:05. The girl left the kids at home. She said, "Mama gotta get in the streets." Period. It's my birthday, bitches. I'm vlogging on both my camera and my phone. My camera battery dead right now, but I'm about to go get my nails done. My nails look a mess. Hold on, y'all. Yeah, so I'm going to get my nails done. Here's a before. I'm going to get my nails done. I'm going to get my eyebrows done. I'm going to get my car washed. And yeah, happy birthday to me. Okay, I also just got my eyebrows done. And she also ate that up. Not me finding my cosmetic girlies in Dallas, finally. So yeah, I'm going to stick with them. Again, the nails ate that up. And I'm just now noticing like this little effing breakout. So I'm finna go home and do a little skincare because we got dinner tonight. Okay, we got plans tonight. We're gonna be in the streets. So I'm just about to go get a little car wash because my car is so filthy. I'm literally just gonna drive to the car wash and then I'm gonna go take a nap. The girls need a nap. It's my birthday. I can do whatever I want. I'm gonna take a fucking nap. Hello, you guys. It is Monday, February. I think it's February 19th. I'm not sure. If so, I have a homegirl who's a happy birthday from high school. But anyway, it is the day after. I hate when people stare and then I wave and then they just like, what the, don't be weird. Anyway, I just left Ulta. Period. Rashad got me a gift card. Thanks, Rashad. Period. I got a gift card for my birthday, so I just spent that quickly, expeditiously. I'm not one of those girls. Let me get my laptop. Oh my god. Hello. Anyways, I know some girls can like hold on to a gift card. Not me, because I'm gonna spend it. I sure am. Give me 1 second, y'all. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna put y'all back because the sunlight was like everything right there. I've just been running some errands. I went on a walk this morning. I just left Ulta and I'm gonna go home. And I'm gonna deep clean my house and I'm going to sleep. Okay? That's what I'm gonna go do. So I was just coming to tell y'all, hey, that I went to Ulta and I had fun. Period. Toodles, talk to y'all in a minute. Okay, y'all, so this is an update. They got it fixed, so it's not that bad, thankfully. But somebody got to come in tomorrow and finish this, child. The ghetto. Y'all, so me and my homegirl, Keisha, going to this restaurant in Dallas. Supposedly new, called Joey. Apparently it's in the fucking mall. Didn't know that. Now that's ghetto as hell. Babes, give me the standalone restaurant. First off, parking was enough. I'm not wearing an outfit made for walking. I got on fucking heels and a little skirt. My thighs are rubbing together, about to cause a fire. I'm about to start sweating. It's 83 degrees outside. But you know what? I'm still in a good mood. I called them because they do a 15-minute grace period, and I was here at 3:54. Child. But they said I was fine, so let me go find it, child. I guess. Yo, why am I in the mall trying to buy it all? No, I'm kidding. But I'm in this mall just lost as hell, looking for this restaurant, child. Okay, period. So we finally made it in the restaurant, which is so cute. Let me turn around to you, Keisha. Period. My girl is here. Keisha, say hi to the vlog. Yeah, period. Yeah. Yeah, the girls are getting the content. Look how pretty it is in here.
I have to record this moment because
And then it has like an outside area. It's a window here. So.
I've never actually tried it. it. So today
Period.
it's gonna be.
Y'all gotta be quick for no copyright. But yeah, when you're a nice person, you're a girl's girl. Yeah, because we're girls girl. Yeah. Okay, you guys, I'm home now. I'm tired, honey. I have been social this weekend. But I'm happy that I was. But I'm just about to take my makeup off, and this face is really sitting like, I think I found my makeup routine. So I tried a few new products, which I'll tell y'all about tomorrow. I'm just really tired right now. Like I even had on glasses, and you can tell where I had them. But like before the products that I have on right now, before I got all of these like in a combo, you could literally see so harsh where my glasses were and things like that. So, well, you kind of can, but better than before. So anyway, I was just coming to tell y'all that, and I had a really great night with my homegirl Keisha. And I'm really ashamed of myself. It is almost the Monday after my birthday, and I haven't uploaded the vlog yet. Just because it's my first time like actually editing on my laptop, because I usually edit on my phone. But I really was utilizing my camera for my birthday weekend intentionally, so I would edit on my laptop. And here we go. Here we are. So yeah, good night. Love you guys.